dangerous man in politics. Mliswa accused of tricking Mzembi back to Zimbabwe. The 4th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent. NORTON. Former Norton legislator Themba Mliswa has once again found himself at the center of controversy, with allegations that he played a key role in luring jailed ex-minister Walter Mzembi back to Zimbabwe, as part of a wider plan to dismantle the once powerful G40 faction. According to political insiders, Mliswa is alleged to have acted on behalf of President Emmerson Mnangagwa, his relative, in a covert scheme to neutralize G40, a group long viewed as a serious threat to Mnangagwa's hold on ZANU-PF. Mliswa has perfected the art of presenting himself as an independent politician, but behind the scenes, he is working for ED. He plays both sides, infiltrating opposition circles while feeding intelligence back to ZANU-PF. A source close to the matter claimed, in 2018, the then MDC alliance, led by NELSONCHAMISA, reportedly made the mistake of backing Mliswa's parliamentary bid in Norton, only to later discover that he remained firmly aligned to ZANU-PF interests. Adding to the controversy, Mliswa's ex-girlfriend Susan Mutami has repeatedly warned opposition politicians against trusting him. In a series of posts and interviews, Mutami accused him of being used by Mnangagwa to eliminate rivals. She linked him to the mysterious death of the late Air Marshal Parence Shiri, noting that Mliswa was the first person to arrive at the scene when Shiri died. Political analysts say Mnangagwa's fear of G40 deepened after intelligence reports during the so-called Jeza Revolution highlighted the faction's underground mobilization. To counter the threat, Mliswa was allegedly deployed as a double agent, seen in meetings with both Savior Kasukuwere and Mzembi, but ultimately working to entrap them. The revelations, if proven, could further damage Mliswa's already controversial reputation as a political operator who thrives in murky waters, straddling the line between friend and foe.